Hi, my name is Jamila Madden. I'm a first-year master's student in the Food and Nutrition Science program at the Florida State University. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low-fat, pear, upside-down gingerbread cake. Now I know what you're thinking, she's making cake, how can that be low-fat? Well, it definitely is. It's only going to have 2 grams of fat total in this dish, one of those grams being saturated fat, as opposed to a traditional gingerbread spice cake that might have up to 8 grams of fat, with 5 grams being saturated. The key is to not really use the glaze or the frosting. That adds more butter and more sugar content that in turn adds more fat content to your dish. Okay, now that I have my wet mixture batter working, I'm going to start with the dry mixture. I'm going to add a cup of flour and then 5 of our seasonings. We have the ground nutmeg, the baking soda, the ground cloves, and the cinnamon, dried mustard, and salt. Go ahead and mix that together. You have to make sure everything is mixed in pretty well. You don't want any specks of ginger or any other ingredient not mixed together throughout the entire cake. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my dry ingredients with the wet. And like I said before, you want to make sure this is blended fairly well. You can go ahead and put it on like a medium speed. And once this is done, we're going to put it in the cake pan. And it should bake about 40 minutes. And then let it cool for 20. You just want to kind of poke a little hole in it with a knife to make sure there's no wet batter on it. As you can tell, it's pretty good. There's no wet batter, so it's ready to go. Once the cake is done, it's actually going to yield 8 servings, so 173 calories per slice. But just remember, when you're eating dessert, make sure that you portion control and have a little moderation. You don't want to overindulge, but if you do have a sweet tooth like myself, it's always okay to have a little now and then. Okay, so please go home and try this cake, and thanks for watching.